it's really not that hard. So what I do is I'll hire a team of law students at the law review of my local law school. And these law students, they're dying for work. So they'll write the copy. They do a better job than I could. And they're writing copy about local events, everything. And so when I'm busy in a trial, I don't have to write any content because this team of law students is writing it for me.
Because you're busy being a lawyer.
Of course.
But you've set up the system. And so let's talk about that, because you've published this book, The Power of a System, right? So tell us a little bit about why you wrote this book, John.
Okay, goes back to being fired. In June of 2010, I got fired, and I was thinking, man, I got all this great stuff in my head about all these policies and systems that I had learned for creating a world-class personal injury law firm, but what good is it if it's just in my head? I got to get this stuff down on paper. So I started out on a beach in the summer of 2010. I started writing, and over the course of 2 years, I created a manuscript, and my publisher said, we're going crazy because you keep adding new content, but I couldn't stop. And so I put everything that I know. They wanted 3 books. This is 3 books in one. I said, no, we're going to do 1 book, put everything in here, the technical, managerial, and entrepreneurial secrets that I have in my mind. Everything that I've learned is in here, and I didn't hold anything back. I want this for lawyers, but the surprising thing is it's not just young lawyers who like these concepts. It's often older, more experienced lawyers who say this really opens up new concepts that I've never thought of before, and that's what I wanted to do.
So why do you want to help lawyers? Why?
Because we go to law school, we learn all these theoretical concepts about torts, contracts, constitutional law. They don't teach us in law school how to run and operate our own business. They don't teach us how to get clients. They don't teach us how to manage a staff. We're out there on the street. Everyone assumes we know how to do that, but we don't. No one ever taught us that. And you don't learn that when you're working as an associate at a law firm. No one teaches you that. So the book here is, I've been through the pain. I've suffered miserably. I've made tons of mistakes. And what I want to do is give people the benefit of all the mistakes that I've made so they don't have to repeat them. In the book, I don't hold anything back here. I tell them exactly who I use for fulfillment providing, video, webmaster, Foster Web Marketing, Ben Glass, Great Legal Marketing, everybody that I've used, everyone I've learned with email addresses, phone numbers, the whole thing.
So all of the stuff that you've learned is in this book. And so how does a lawyer get a hold of this book?
Well, a lawyer could go to the website ultimateinjurylaw.com. You could buy it right there. That would be the preferred way. You can also get it off of Amazon if you'd like. They could simply call our number. It is 845-802-0047. They call us, and as a complimentary, they don't have to pay for it. We'll give you a free book. And we also, as a complimentary service, we add every lawyer who gets the book would be on our monthly newsletter, which is a hard copy newsletter called Lawyer Alert. So they'd get that as well.
And plus you do podcasts.
Do podcasts, the ultimate practice builder for New York injury lawyers, with experts like you that we put on there on a monthly basis. So they could sign up for that through iTunes.
And you don't charge for any of this?
Nothing. And we have seminars too. So we do an internet marketing seminar for lawyers. That's held throughout New York State. There's a website called injurywebsites.com. They could sign up for that. We also teach lawyers how to use focus groups to prepare for trial. And that is an event that we hold throughout New York State. And the website is mindofinjury.com, where a lawyer could sign up for that seminar as well.
Well, folks, I'm telling you right now, this is one hell of a guy, John Fisher. I've known him for years, and he means what he says. He is a philanthropic gentleman who is really just trying to help out his fellow attorneys. And you're right, we hear about it all the time, about these struggles. You know, you're not taught about how to run a business, you're not taught about marketing, and you've done it. I mean, you've suffered, you came out in the same way, and so here's a system that pulls it all together. It's a great book, a fantastic read, and he's done it. I mean, like, the proof is in the pudding. He has worked very hard to get where he is. You've been fired, you've come from the ground up, you know, and he's getting the cases and the clients that everybody's looking for. So learn his system. He's here to help you guys.
And Tom, if I may, none of this would have happened without you and Foster Web Marketing. So I really feel like what I have today is because of you. The results have been amazing. For all the lawyers out there who are saying, I couldn't be a rainmaker, I couldn't get all these big cases in, well, I'm here to tell you that you can do it. And the way to do it really is by learning all of the principles that you're giving away, all the information. It's right here. It's just a matter of taking action.
Right, listening, and you're right, taking action. Doing what people tell you to do. It's easy. You don't have to figure it all out on your own. Well, John, thank you so much for coming in. Thanks a lot for being a great client, for being loyal, and helping other lawyers become better lawyers.
Absolutely.
Okay, buddy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Once again, Tom Foster at Foster Web Marketing with Legal Leaders TV with my buddy and great client friend, John Fisher. If you would like to refer some cases to John or talk to him about your cases, I'm sure he'd talk to you about that. But go to his website and get this great book. It will help you out. Till next time, take care.